Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add custom background music in Opera GX. Alright, let's begin. First, open Opera GX and go to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, use the search bar to find Music. Scroll down until you find the Background Music section. Click on it, and you should be able to enable it. Opera GX comes with several default background tracks, but if you don't like them, you can click on Get More to download additional mod packs. For example, you can choose a Minecraft mod pack. Once you find your desired mod pack, click Install to add it. After installation, return to the background music settings, and you'll notice that the music has changed to match the mod pack. If you prefer not to use these mod packs, you can uninstall them by clicking Remove, and it will return to the default music. If you want to play custom music, you can turn off the background music and use the Music Player option in the middle of the screen. Here, you can choose from music providers like Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, Tidal, and SoundCloud. For example, if you choose YouTube Music, you can select any song to play. Once selected, the music will play in the background while you use Opera GX, offering a smooth, personalized browsing experience. So that's basically how you can add custom background music in Opera GX. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.